Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Binance Exchange. Let's begin. So first of all, you're going to have to create a free account on the Binance website or on the app, and you're going to register either through your mobile number or your email. Afterwards, you're going to click on the Buy Crypto link on the top of the Binance website navigation to know about the available options to buy XRP in your country. So you can buy XRP with your debit/credit card. If you're a new user, this is the easiest option to purchase XRP. You're going to navigate to buy XRP with USD page on Binance. Then number 2, select XRP and USD from the drop-down menu. Then number 3, choose card as the payment method and click confirm. Then you're going to add a new card, which will appear if you have not purchased crypto in Binance using debit or credit card before. Then you're going to click Add New Card, enter card details, and click Confirm. On the payment confirmation page, verify details and confirm the order within the time limit. Then you're going to use Refresh for a new quote. Then you're going to click on Confirm to place your order. Then you're going to be redirected to the OTP transaction page where you just have to follow the instructions to verify the payment. Once it is verified, the coins will appear in your spot wallet. Now you can also use Google Pay or Apple Pay. So you're going to navigate to Buy XRP with USD page on Binance. Then you're going to select XRP and USD from the drop-down menu. Then you're either going to choose Google Pay or Apple Pay as your payment method. And then you are going to select Confirm and you're going to select Buy. On the confirmation page, verify details and confirm the order within the time limit. Then you're going to use Refresh for a new quote. Then afterwards, you're going to select Confirm, and the coin will appear in your spot wallet. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.